Fluorescently labeled membrane proteins start their journey to the plasma membrane after synthesis in the endoplasmic reticulum. They are first dispersed throughout the extensive membrane network of the endoplasmic reticulum, from where they move to exit sites that form in random locations in the membrane network. At each of these sites, the membrane proteins are concentrated and packaged into transport vesicles. Clusters of the transport vesicles fuse to form transport intermediates. At the next stage, transport intermediates move along microtubule tracks to the Golgi apparatus near the center of the cell. The membrane proteins exit the Golgi apparatus. They move in transport vesicles that are now pulled outward on microtubules, which deliver them to the plasma membrane. Each time a Golgi-derived vesicle fuses with the plasma membrane, its content proteins disperse.